If you own a button-down shirt, chances are you have worn it in the same way over and over again. Maybe tucked in, half-tuck, or simply left loose. But what if I told you that the very same shirt could be transformed into completely different silhouettes without sewing, cutting, or permanently altering it? Today I'm sharing 10 easy ways to transform your button-down shirt using simple styling tricks and a few everyday accessories you may already have at home. These hacks take only seconds, but they can make your shirt look more defined, custom tailored, and completely reinvented. You know, it's one of my favorite things to make your wardrobe work harder for you. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Faux wrap top. A simple bangle is one of those accessories that's worth having in your wardrobe. Not just because it looks beautiful, but because it can completely transform your clothes. I have already shown you before how to use one to make your skirts or dresses fit better, but today I'm gonna show you how to use one with an oversized button-down shirt. Here is what I do. First of all, overlap one side of the shirt across your body to create a wrap effect. Then, place a bangle on top and put the fabric around so it's fully covered from the inside. This creates an anchor point without damaging the fabric. Now, secure it with a small elastic or hair tie behind the bangle. This keeps everything nicely in place. Et voila! If you want even a cleaner finish, tuck in the inner layer of the shirt into your waistband. And the result is beautifully draped, wrap-style top that instantly defines the waist and makes an oversized shirt look much more intentional and elegant. On to the next one. Tailored shirt. If you love the relaxed look of oversized shirts, but sometimes wish they just had a little bit more of shape, this trick is definitely for you. All you need are 2 decorative brooches. Simply pinch a small amount of fabric at your natural waist on one side of the shirt and secure it with the brooch. Now repeat the same on the other side of the shirt and try to keep the brooches in the same line. If you want, you can also use a simple pin, just make sure to pin it from the inside, or if you like the look of your pins, then it's totally fine. You do you. This trick creates a nice tailored effect on the shirt without going to a tailor. I especially love using decorative brooches because they don't just hold the fabric, but they become part of an outfit. I opted this time for a new, to me, design, pin brooches. And I'm already seeing so many different styling options. So if you would like me to style pin brooches or brooches in general, just let me know in the comments down below. These ones are from Mango. I will link them for you as well. And in case you don't have a decorative brooch, just keep on watching because I'm going to show you how to create one using hair accessory. I'm all about maximizing everything. The butterfly twist. I love performing this trick on slightly lighter fabrics, silky, organza, or very thin cotton fabrics. Start by fastening the 2 middle buttons of your shirt, leaving the top and bottom open. Now take one front panel and pull it through the gap between the fastened buttons. Then repeat with the other front panel, pulling it through the same gap in the same direction. Now gently adjust the fabric until it creates a soft twist across the front. The result is beautifully draped detail that defines the waist and makes a simple button-down look a completely different top. I love that it requires no additional tools. The upside-down crop hack. Here's a fun way to transform an oversized button-down or even lightweight jacket into cropped waist-defining piece. So first of all, turn it upside down and inside out. This part is important to secure the former hem around your waist while the garment is inside out, so the sleeves remain accessible and you still have space to slip your arms through. Now fasten it with a slim belt, then put your arms into the sleeves and arrange the upper parts into place. And just like that, you have created a completely different silhouette, cropped, modern, and much more defined at the waist. I have actually been using this trick for years. I even included in one of my shirt styling videos almost 6 years ago. Time flies, but thanks to this trick, your shirt stays perfectly in place. Let's move on. A symmetrical hem. Here's another easy way to give an oversized button-down a more defined asymmetrical shape. Attach a brooch at the waist on one side with the buttons. Then take the opposite front panel and thread it through the brooch. Now gently pull the fabric through until the shirt feels comfortable and you achieve the amount of draping and waist definition that you like. Now adjust the folds, smooth the fabric, and you are done. Your classic button-down now has a modern asymmetrical cut and much more intentional silhouette. In case you don't have decorative brooch, you can get away with the hair accessory, hairband like this. So you can use a combo, a simple pin, and wrap a hairband like so. Et voila! Perfect elevated look. And I almost forgot one more trick with a simple, not simple, but like elevated kind of elastic hairband. And this trick is super simple. All you need to do is just grab those two tails and create a ponytail. That's it. The decorative hairband does all the work. Simple, elevated, and super chic, right? By the way, I will link this amazing thing that you can use for your hair, but also for your shirts and also t-shirts, scarves, oh my god, sweaters. I'm probably gonna do another episode on styling a hairband like this. If you want, grab yourself one because I think that we're gonna play around with this one a lot. Cinched waist shirt. Here's another elegant way to use decorative brooch to create cinched waist effect. Gently pull one side of the shirt across your waist and secure it to the opposite side using a decorative brooch. Adjust the amount of fabric until you are happy with the fit and drape. I especially love this trick because it creates the illusion of a tailored waist while still keeping the relaxed feel of an oversized shirt. This works best again with structured cotton or linen shirts as they hold the shape beautifully. Twisted waist detail. For this one, grab both sides of the shirt and twist the ends around each other twice. Then tuck the twisted section into your jeans or another pair of structured trousers. Et voila! This creates a clean, waist-defining detail without adding too much bulk. Perfect and easy. The fabric tricks works best with fabric that has a little bit of grip, such as cotton, poplin, or matte viscose blends. Waist tie. A silk scarf isn't just for your neck. It can completely transform an oversized button-down. Take a long scarf, scarf tie, or even a wide ribbon and thread it through the two button gaps at your waist. Now wrap it around the back of the shirt, bring it back to the front, and tie it into a knot or soft bow on the side. The scarf cinches the waist while staying securely in place, creating a flattering silhouette without adding bulky knots underneath. And you can definitely choose a scarf that either matches your look or you can create a statement accessory with it. It's an easy way to make your even simplest pair of shirts feel unique and elevated. Instant cropped shirt trick. If you have a ring like this or even old belt buckle with two openings, don't throw it away yet. It can completely transform your look of an oversized shirt. Take both ends of your shirt and thread them through one side of the buckle. Then back through the other opening just like you would do with a simple regular belt. Pull gently until you are happy with the fit and adjust the fabric, and that's it. In just a few seconds, you have created a cropped, waist-defining silhouette without tying, bulky knots, or tucking your shirt in. Twisted waist detail. this time the secret is hidden at the back. Attach 2 small safety pins or brooch pins right around your waist. Next, thread a thin cord ribbon through both pins. Tie it in the back and you are done. From the front, all you see is softly cinched silhouette. It's like giving your oversized shirt a built-in adjustable waist without making any single permanent alteration. Just perfect. And that's it. 10 easy ways to transform one button-down shirt into completely different silhouettes. I hope this video inspired you to look at the shirts already in your wardrobe with fresh eyes, because sometimes you don't need a new piece. You just need a new way to style it. Let me know in the comments down below which transformation was your favorite and which one you are going to try first. And don't hesitate to go back and save the styles you love the most, so the next time you are getting dressed, you can actually try one of these tricks instead of falling back into the same routine. Sharing is caring. I would be really happy if you would share this episode with your best friends. If you enjoyed these ideas, I will link 2 more videos for you down below. My latest episode with even more practical fashion hacks and my full guide to different ways of tucking in oversized shirts. Thank you so much for watching. Keep shining, stay classy. Ciao, ciao.